I was on the set.
Where were you at? Come here. Where were you? You missed the show. You liked it? That was so good. What a show, what an experience. There's a party on the spaceship. So the dining room with all the good, healthy stuff, a lot of meats and the seafood is all gone, but you know, it's closed right now, but there's always the Festival of Foods, the Mickey and Friends Festival of Foods. You can't go wrong with Mickey and Friends Festival of Foods. You got a homemade pizza in a bit, cantina on the water. Yeah, get you a rice bowl. Do some pizza though? What'd you get on it? Pepperoni?
Yeah.
There you go. Large Coke? There you go.
Nice.
And I just got me a little taco bowl. Look at this. Look at this taco bowl. Look how stacked it is. Chicken, corn, a little bit of beans, some brown rice, some lettuce. Thank you. Look at all the different hot sauces they got. This is where your hot sauces are. These are probably hot. I'm gonna go with the Fat Cat. I'll go Caribbean curry on your bitch ass. Rice bowls are good. Definitely good. You gotta come to the deck. You gotta go to prosciutto, tomato, and arugula. Yeah, boy. Custom pizzas at Daisy Pizza Pies. They'll take care of you. Cheers. Yeah.
What are they
As soon as the sun comes out, it gets a little warmer.
Oh, it's beautiful.
We're gonna get on that huge slide. Just cruising in Santa's world. So I'm gonna rush to the gym and then take this little one to Edge.
You have to take it to Edge in 30 minutes.
In 30 minutes. Dang, we're booking it, dude. We're booking it!
I can't wait for the stuff.
You excited? See you, Will. Right by the control center. You excited?
Yeah.
We'll see y'all after the show because we can't record this. We can't let y'all in this. You liked it? It was so good. Man, the dance and everything was good. What a show. You get to see that show every night?
I know.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Wow.
Oh my god. Have a good one. And we just caught the first show of the cruise, see? Walt Disney Theater.
I was on the set.
Where were you at? Come here.
Mom told me to go to pool.
Ah! Where were you? You missed the show.
With her record.
It's nighttime. Disney Destiny. We missed our safety briefing, so they sent us a message on the Disney app, and now we got this letter. So now I can't go to the gym. Now we have to go to this safety briefing. Gotta go to this mandatory safety briefing, and they're gonna meet me there. What? Spider-Man. I'm going inside the worlds of Marvel right now. I'm supposed to go to the safety briefing. We're on the way though. Yeah, Avengers. I was on the way to the safety meeting, but look at this stunning restaurant. I can't wait to get here. This is gonna be my favorite restaurant on board. Disney Destiny, this is Sanders World. We got live entertainment. Only the best talent. Disney Destiny. This cruising in Santa's World. So all your pictures show up there. All you gotta do is just scan this. Pretty freaking neat. They give me pictures right now. Let's work out with a view. Disney Destiny, let's go. Alright, so I'm going into the spa. I just finished my quick workout before dinner. So nice. Got a steam room in here. Let's check out the steam room for today. Steam room. Let me just go in there for today. I'll see y'all after the spa. I got dinner. I gotta hurry up too. Just got out of the steam room, yo. Literally, that was like one of the hottest steam rooms I've been in. Now it's time to go meet her for dinner. Yeah, putting nothing on for our pictures.
Babies.
You know where that? You know when our Marvel stuff? Ooh, that stroller, man.
Thanks for dinner.
We're excited to eat with Tony Stark.
Yes, indeed.
You know what I'm saying? We're about to eat at the Avengers restaurant. The World of Marvel. Fresh out the spa. We're about to eat at the World of Marvel. The Avengers restaurant on the Disney Destiny. What?
That is it.
If you don't feel like a superhero in here, you'll never feel like a superhero. We're at the World of Avengers, World of Marvel restaurant on the Destiny Disney cruise ship. Amazing. This is like the coolest restaurant to work in, man.
Good evening.
You feel like a superhero working here?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
I swear, you need a cape. Look at the freaking detail though. What? Deadpool. Amazing date. Look at her looking like a superwoman.
Let's go, Bruce. Bye.
Brute fixed the power. Power went out, but Brute fixed it. Thanks, buddy. You got mushroom too. It looks very fresh. It's a real superhero meal. We got the schnitzel. Got some potatoes, like 3 green beans. Powerhouse. Who created the Ironheart armor? Go on. Yo, this restaurant's sick. World of Marvel on the Disney Destiny cruise. I think that's enough for one day. We went to the Marvel restaurant. We toured the ship before anybody got on. And we saw all the cool stuff there was to see on day one. Getting on the ship.